What up, YouTube? It's your boy Devon Duncan. We back at it with another one, man. Yo, I've been MIA, like for real, man. I ain't gonna cap. Like, I've been BSing. I ain't got no excuse. I've been BSing. But we gonna get back to it, man. Get y'all footage of everything going on. You know, I ain't been having too much going on. Actually, I ain't had no problems out of it. Really just been enjoying cruising, you know. Regular dagler. Tell y'all what I got going. Right now, this video, I'ma drop it off at the shop. Go get some, get my brakes done. My wilwoods, I got them on the front. I'm gonna put them on the front end. Change that front end. Put them brakes on. With the rear, I don't know. I don't know how I'm gonna do it. But hold up, let me switch this camera around. Yeah, with the rear, it got disc brakes already, so I don't know if I should get the wilwood kit or just get like some wilwood calipers and some you know, some rotors. But this one, this is all old stuff, so I'm gonna swap that out for sure. But I mean, I already got the kit for it, the wilwood kit. And then shit, yeah, that's all we got for today. We gonna drop it off. Man, I gotta get a new thing for my hood. See this little gap? It's a big, nice gap. Put my pinky through it. My that little spiral thing, I don't know what it's called, but it broke. So my tuner had put a yeah, I know my carpet dirty as hell. I took that plastic off because it was ripping up. This right here, if you could look at it and tell, it's way bigger than the stock one. So it's kind of making my hood lift. I gotta get the original one. That one come out for Tahoe, I think. That's what he told me at least. But yeah, I think I done cracked my hood trying to press down on it. You can see, it's getting uglier. It's cracked. You know, more problems. But other than that, man, I ain't been having no problems at all with this car. I do need to get a detail, get that carpet clean. I gotta get some custom carpets made. It's good on that side. It's dirty as hell right here. But hey, man, it's what you do when you actually drive this car. So, you know. But you know, I'm finna load up and we finna head out. So follow me. Yeah. Then my bro, he left his car with me for a couple days. Got them forges. I low-key wanna see how it look, how that would look on my paint. Cause this is what I wanted. I wanted gold. His was a little too yellow, but that's what I wanted. I wanted like gold, not painted gold. But yeah, that bad boy. Yeah, he clean. Alright, man, but I'm about to gas up and head out here. Get this process started. Alright, man, I'm on my way out here. I just wanted to talk to y'all for a little bit, man. I ain't got to talk to y'all for a little bit. I got to get back to, you know, YouTube. It's a little loud in here. I don't know if y'all can hear me. Alright, that quieted down a lot. But, yeah, man. I've been trying to get it together, man. I had it was a little shootout last weekend. I wasn't expecting to be in it, but I got in it. And I got beat twice, so I ain't really liking that feeling. At first it was just like, you know, I was just doing it for fun, but I don't like losing. I'm a sore loser, I ain't gonna count. So I ain't really next year, this winter, because I ain't trying to spend all that money. But I don't know. Folks act like they trying to force my hand in making this car fast. You know, I was just playing around with them this year. But, you know, I don't know. I guess we'll see. I ain't get to get footage, man. I ain't have my crew there. So I ain't get to get footage of the race. I got smacked though. I was spinning. My mechanic was telling me my air pressure was too high, like my air pressure in my tires. That's why I was spinning. But I'm like, I drove to the track. The track an hour away, so I drove to the track. I ain't planning on racing, so I wasn't gonna lower my tires just so I could race. And then, you know, I'm riding on my rim on the way home. That don't make sense. So I mean, it is what it is. I ain't making no excuses. I took my L's. You know, it is what it is. I ain't tripping. But I don't know, man. I probably do I wanted to do a supercharger, but I don't want to spend all that money. By the time you're done with a supercharger, you're gonna spend like $10,000. So I don't know. We probably do like. I've been low key thinking about putting some juice on it. You know, cam it up, probably change some heads or something. I've been low key thinking about putting a 150 shot, but I don't know where I'm gonna put that bottle, and I don't want it in the back because that's ugly to me. But probably put it behind the seat. I don't know if I want to go that hard. You know what I'm saying? This really wasn't supposed to be no race car. This was supposed to just be a cruiser. But I don't know. Folks forcing my hand, and I'm a competitive dude. I ain't gonna lie. I'm a competitive dude. I don't really like losing. We gonna see though. We gonna see how I'm feeling over the winter. I gotta handle some investments though. That's really why I'm not trying to spend the money. We gonna see, man. We gonna see. But I'm on my way to the shop, man. I don't want to talk y'all to death. I'll get back with y'all when I get to the shop. They done already started pulling everything down. What, you don't want to be in the video?
Oh, shit, I ain't okay.
We got them calipers on already. Man, that shit look good. You gotta take that off. That's the old stuff.
Look like Bumblebee.
That look like Bumblebee. Hey. Yeah, you got the. I gotta get this, the sway bar, front sway bar. That shit look rusty. Let's see if he got this side right. Yes, sir. Man, this shit look good under here. I know y'all already told me about the hanging lines, but I got new lines. All of it wilwood. You been working? You been helping?
Yes, sir.
Alright. That's what we looking at right now. Then they got the red calipers. I ain't know to get black or red, but we're gonna do red. And we outside, baby. Yes, sir. All is wilwood. But yeah, man, we gonna I gotta get the sway bar to clean it. I mean, get a new one. We gonna clean these spindles up. He said there's no point in buying a new spindle. It's the same shit. But yeah, that shit look good over there. Oh, I can't turn it. Hell no, I ain't finna bust my ass. You know, QA1, mug, wilwood. Ooh. Now I gotta get the kit for the back though. That's it. We've been up here talking about cam kits and, you know, getting this boy down the track. We're gonna see though. Hold on, let me see this right quick, see how it's gonna look. Damn, I dropped the boat. Eee, that wilwood. Yeah, that's gonna be nasty. So man, we got it back. Added some extras. Wilwood's on there. The Wilwood's on there looking good. Then I painted the back of this. The back red. I got the back painted red, so I get some Wilwoods for that. Got to show y'all I got new tail lights. Them LED tail lights. You got to cut them open and put them lights in, and you know. And this is that. We get ready for Tulsa. Tomorrow we going to Tulsa. Well, I'm gonna upload this video Sunday because I've been boiling. But tomorrow's the show. I gotta edit, cut up this video, and you know, this it. And I changed out my tweeters, my super tweeters. I'll talk more with y'all about those. All right, now we done made it home. Show y'all everything going on now. You know, got the Wilwoods on the front. Oh, and he got under my hood, man. Shout out my guy, Super Dave, man. Shout out Super Dave and Snake, man. He painted under my hood. He got that red out. I gotta touch it up a little bit. It ain't perfect, but he got it out. Then we got the Wilwood. Oh, let me show my tail lights. And then we got the tail lights. Them things so nice. I love them right there. And that's about it, man. That's about it. The wood was so nasty. Get all up in there. Yes, sir. Now we gotta get the kit for the back. Then we gotta get some go fast parts. That's gonna be next process, man. Getting this bad boy beefed up a little bit. And shoot, we gonna be outside for real next summer. But you know, it's about time to go ahead and put up. And you know, we'll push for next summer. Man, I know I've been like MIA, but hey man, you know, we trying to get real, you know, my business taken care of, everything, you know, fixed up and together. Now we back to this car stuff, so, you know, I'm finna bring y'all this footage, you know. We finna go outside a little bit. We finna get back under this knife, pull that motor on out of there, you know, put some go fast parts on it. You know, I'm just finna play with it a little more. I'm really done with the car, just finna play with it. Add little extras and, you know, make the car a little bit more fun, you feel me? So y'all just make sure y'all keep watching this, man. I gotta get back consistent so I can get my consistent views and, you know, subscribers and all that. But you know, we gotta go up, man. Make sure y'all keep following me and don't give up on me, man. Don't give up on me. It's my bad, but you know, forgive me. Forgive me now. But anyway, man, we going up for real. So y'all make sure y'all like this video, comment, subscribe, share this thing, man. Go share this thing, man. We going up, man. Make sure you tell a friend and tell a friend and tell another friend. You feel me? I'll catch y'all next time. But until next time, peace.